Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co and ForexTrading.tv daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Monday, November 18th, 2013. Well, a black body candle today, and at the end of a fairly strong uptrend that we had for the prior three trading days, a series of white body candles following the breakout from the important 1775 resistance. We now have a black body, and that denotes momentum in net terms shifting to the sellers and suggesting a possibility of a change of trend. Technically, in the first time frame, we haven't had a change of trend today. Here we have a candle that's made a higher high but a lower low, and therefore the previous trend remains in force, so the trend to the upside. And to have a change of trend, we require a lower high and a lower low. So this type of trading day, which we call in bar chart terms an outside day, raises some serious doubt about continuation of the trend technically. But if we look at the black body, certainly the momentum has swung to the sellers, and the sellers have taken control away from the buyers. For the previous three trading days, the buyers closed with very strong control of this market, and the sellers have now closed down below the midpoint level, certainly not down around the low, but around the midpoint level, and it suggests that there is some doubt about continuation of the trend and potential for a retracement. If the market does change trend, we should see very strong support around the 1775 level. Has been tested twice in the recent past. It is a major, or has been a major high, and we also have the 10% trading roughly around that area, so there should be some very strong support coming in around that area. Now, this is also an indecisive spinning top type candle, and once again suggests indecision. Just as the outside day suggests indecision, this suggests indecision for the uptrend, and certainly does highlight the possibility of a change of trend to the downside. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously still a bullish market in all three timeframes. The market's trading above the cloud, and certainly well above the cloud, and is looking a little overextended, and therefore we are perhaps due for a correction. The market's also trading above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, so bullish in the medium and fast-term timeframes, and the Chikou span is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in all three timeframes. The Chikou span is a fair way away from the price action, and suggesting that this market is looking a little overbought. The Chikou span basically represents momentum in this market. It's the current close compared to the close of 26 periods ago, which is basically the very basic measure of momentum. And therefore, if it is a long way away from the market, then overextended, and markets tend to move from equilibrium, which would be trading near the Ichimoku indicators in all the various timeframes, and moving away from equilibrium, so markets move in cycles. So this market is overdue for a correction. Now, having said that, however, we do want confirmation, so we're looking for a lower high and lower low, so we don't act until we see confirmation. And the low of the current candle becomes very important. That's at 1788. But as I've already mentioned, very strong support around 1775. If the market does trade through there, a minor level around 1760, and then extending roughly down to around the 1746 to about 1740 level. And we have the Kijun-sen trading around that 1747 level as well. So very, very strong support, very close by if the market does break out down around 1775.